What's up, YouTube? Okay, so I'm doing a short video with my student. We're practicing parking, so I'm just gonna take you guys along while I practice parking with her. She's been practicing for a while. She's actually pretty good. So we're just doing some parking. All right, so we're gonna park. Go up. Stay close to the right side, like I've been showing you. Again, the closer you are to the right side, the easier it is. So we're gonna park beside the black one right there, on the other side of the black car. Over there. Go up some more. Not this side. Go past the black car and then park right beside it. Yes, right here. Go up a little bit more. Go up and make sure your mirror is lined up with the line, like about right there. Go to the middle and straighten the wheel and pull forward and stop. And that's good. Reverse, and we're going to do that again. We're gonna stop about here. Again, you're backing up until your mirror gets to the end of the line. Turn all the way to the left because we're gonna continue going down the line and practicing. Okay, that's good enough. Put it back in drive. All the way left. I mean, all the way right, I should say. Alright, we're gonna park in between the silver car right there and the gold car. So again, you're close to the right side. That gives you more room to turn into the space. You go up on your line of your mirror, signal, turn all the way left. And we roll until you get to the middle of the space. And when you get to the middle, don't straighten up yet. That's a little early. Keep going around a little bit more. Now straighten the wheel. One more turn. To the middle. Right there. Turn to the middle. One more turn. Yeah, right there. Like that. Alright, and that's good. Alright, reverse. And we're gonna do that again. Go slowly. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, like about right there, you're gonna turn all the way left and continue reversing. Alright, stop. Put it back in drive. All the way to the right. And we're going to, let me see which space. I don't want to just do the ones that's wide open, you know what I'm saying? I want to put you in spaces that's like closer. Keep going down there. Find a space that have like no car, one car and then an open space. Keep going. So like between this white car here and that blue car, see that?
That too.
Right here, those two right here. So I want to go in between those because those are tight. Alright, so pull up again. Line up your mirror and turn all the way left and go slowly into the space, nice and slow. Straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel. One more turn right there and stop. So make sure it's straight like that and good. Alright, reverse, straight back. And again, when you pass this car and the mirror gets to the end of the line, turn all the way left. Put it back in reverse. Put it back in reverse.
Oh, sorry.
All the way left. Alright, look behind. Watch this person here and stop. Put it in drive. And get back to your right lane. Park right past this blue car right here. Yeah, this one right here. Go up a little bit more. Right there. Signal. All the way left. So you see it works perfectly if your mirror is lined up with the line. You know what I mean? And you go all the way around until you get to the middle. Straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel. One more turn. And good. Alright, reverse. Alright, stop here. This guy's coming in the parking lot pretty fast. Okay, stop. Alright, now we're gonna go around the corner. We're gonna do it a couple of more times. Alright. You see the black car down there? We're gonna park beside the black car. Alright, signal left. Past the black car and then park right beside it. Alright, turn. Go slow, straighten the wheel, and stop. And that is good. That is too much. That's pretty good. Alright, reverse. And again, when you get to the end of the line, you stop here, turn all the way to the right. Turn right, turn right. We're going to go back that way this time. Yeah, we're going back the other way. And look behind. Always look behind when you're reversing. Press the gas a little bit, gently. Alright, that's good. Stop. Put it back in drive. Alright, so we're going to go around the corner and then park a couple of times, heading back up to your way. Alright, goes to your right side. Park again over on the left side. See the truck right there? And we're gonna park between the truck and the white car. Signal left. Again, I'm concentrating primarily on left side parking because on the driving test, that is what they do. They make you park on the left on the driving test. So, and the parking on the left is actually quite a bit easier. Keep going, straighten the wheel, straighten, and pull straight in, and stop. Okay, straighten the wheel. Right here. Like that. Alright, reverse. Look behind, and go straight back. And stop. All the way right. I mean all the way left, sorry, right there. All the way left. Left, yeah. Because we're going back down there. Look behind. And stop. Put it in drive. So we're going to park beside the gold Honda right here. See the gold one? Signal left. Okay, all the way left. And just go slow, right? When you're coming in here, just do it slowly. Use your brakes. Straighten the wheel. One more turn. Right there. And pull straight in. And stop. That's good. Alright. Reverse. And stop like right there. Put it back in reverse now. You're still reversing. All the way left. Okay. Put it in drive. Alright, we're gonna park in between those two cars right there. The white one and the black one, I think that is. Alright, stop completely. Over there. Stay close to your right. Signal left. And go ahead and do your thing. Open a little bit more. Alright, all the way left. Go slowly, keep going till when you get to the middle. Straighten the wheel, one more turn. Right there. No, straight is here. So it's 2 times from extreme left. Right? So you straighten it up like that and then you pull forward a little bit more. And stop. Yeah, when you turn all the way left to come in here, right? You straighten up by turning 2 times. You want to see this big open space? 2 times. This, when you turn all the way left, turn all the way left. Let me show you. All the way. Alright, see? It's like this big open space is on the bottom, right? When you're straightening up, you want to go 1. You see it's on top once. You want to go all the way around until it's on top again. So 2 times on top is when you know you're straight. So you come into the middle and then you turn 2 times to the middle to straighten it up and pull forward. You understand? Mm-hmm. Okay, reverse. Alright, stop about there, all the way left. Alright, stop. Go up and park one more time, and then we're done for the day. Park beside the Mercedes. Signal. Go up a little bit. I guess you're parking beside the Mazda. Straighten out. One more time. Right there. That's good. Alright. So you stop and you look both ways, right? Alright, go ahead. Turn all the way left. Turn all the way before you release the brake. So when you move off, you're moving away from this car. You understand? Mm-hmm. If you move before you turn the wheel, then you're going to be heading towards the car. Alright, so pull up on your right side and stop. And let me just end this video. Alright, so you see, we're just basically practicing parking. And she's doing quite well. She's been doing well. This is what? Day number 5, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is her 5th lesson. Put it in park. So I just decided to do a parking video just to show how well she's doing and basically to go over the parking. So please like the video. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell and I will see you on the next video.